It says there, for the filter press, fraction of water in the liquid, in the filtrate. Fraction of water. So how much water is there? Fraction daw. So 100 kilograms of water in 100 kilograms H2O plus 20 kilogram CaCO3, or basically 100 over 120. Walang kilograms. I'll put kilograms here. Did you get correctly? 100 divided by 120, is that 0.83? All right. Letter B, adhering solution in FC. So adhering solution is 1 kilogram for every in the crystal. So I can say 1 kilogram of adhering solution for every 11 kilogram of wet crystal. Understand? Wet crystal kasi the calcium carbonate plus some of the liquid in there. And then lastly, calcium carbonate balance equation with the composition of the adhering solution similar to that of Fl. So CaCO3 balance is 0.60 F is equal to, so this is F is equal to Fl plus Fc. L, CaCO3 daw. So 20 over 120. This is Fl. Plus, you have to remember that Fc, yung Fc natin would contain, diba, the crystal would contain adhering solution plus would contain the crystal itself, right? Fc mo would be the crystal plus adhering solution. The crystal itself is for every 10 kilograms. I can say the crystal is 10 kilograms CaCO3 for every 11 kilogram wet crystal. Kasi CaCO3 balance lang eh. So times Fc. Pero yung adhering solution mo, di ba ang nag-a-adhere na solution, 1 kilogram lang naman? 1 kilogram of adhering solution for every 11 kilogram of wet crystal times the adhering solution would have similar composition daw as the Fl. 20 over 120 times Fc. Kasi yung, ito, you understand, to, yung Fc na to is the crystal at yung filtrate. So sa crystal mo, yung Fc mo, you divide it into crystal and the adhering solution kasi wet siya eh. The wet crystal only accounts for for every 11 kilograms. And then what's the composition of that adhering solution? It says there, same as that of Fl. The Fl's composition is 20 over 120 times Fc. Tapos ito, yung crystal naman, 10 kilograms for every 11 kilograms of wet crystal times Fc. So this equals this plus the top plus the bottom. Right?